Okay. Yes, children. Let us start the brain teasers of chapter 5, Profit, Loss and Discount. So, first of all, let me read the question. We will be doing question number 1B now. And A part, that is MCQ part, we will be doing at the end of this chapter. After giving a discount of 8% on the MP, an article was sold for rupees 414. Find the MP of the article. Dear students, you know that whatever tag price is written, that is your mark price. When you see an article and you see the tag, whatever amount is written over there, that is your mark price. That is known as MP. Now, the shopkeeper is giving 8% discount. That means whatever is the 8% of that tag price will be reduced from the article cost. So, you will get that article in a little less cost. So, here the MP is not given, but the sold price, that is selling price, is given, that is rupees 414. Article was sold for rupees 414. So SP is 414. So see, whatever we don't know, let us take it as X. Let the marked price be X. Now discount percent is how much? Discount percent is equal to 8%. Okay, so selling price will be mark price minus 8% of mark price of X, which is equal to how much? 414, which is given. This is given 414. Okay, so X minus 8X by 100 will give you 414. This means now if you take out the LCM, you will get 100X minus 8X by 100 gives you 414. This means 92X by 100 will give you 414. This means X is equal to 414 into 100 by 92. Now see, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 4 25s are. Okay. Now see, 23 and 414. Let us see whether 23 is a factor of 414 or not. Simply divide it. 414 will be divided by 23. Now 23 2s are 46, so it goes one time. 23 1s are 23. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4. See, 8 times 3 8s are 24. So 23 into 8, let us see how much it is. 8 3s are 24, 2, 16 and 2, 18. Yes, 23 8s are 184. So, what is your value? 23 18s are 414. So, X will be equal to how much? X will be equal to 18 multiplied by 25. Now let us see 25 multiplied by 18, how much it is. 8 5s are 44, 16 and 4 20, so 200, then 0 25. So you are getting 450. So the cost, now the mark price you have to find out. So the marked price of the article, the marked price of the article is equal to rupees 450. Now let us see the next question. A fan is sold for rupees 650. The gain is 1/4 of the CP of the fan. Okay, see, sold for rupees 650 means selling price of the fan is 650. The gain is 1/4 of the CP of the fan. Find the gain. So first of all, let us see. We don't know what is CP. Without knowing CP, you cannot find out the profit. So let us say that CP of this particular object, that is the fan, be X. Let the CP of the fan is equal to X. Now what is the profit then? Profit is equal to 1/4 of CP. That means X by 4. How do you calculate profit? Profit is equal to CP. CP plus profit is equal to your SP. CP plus profit is equal to your SP. So here X plus X by 4 is equal to how much? Here SP is equal to rupees 650 given. This is given. So according to your formula, CP plus profit, X plus X by 4 is equal to rupees 650. This is the equation you have got. Now see, if you find out the LCM, you will get 4X plus X by 4 equal to 650, or 5X by 4 is equal to 650. So X is equal to 650 into 4 by 5. See, 5 ones are 5. 15, 5 3s are 15, 0. Now see, 13 4s are 52, so 520. So what is X? X is your CP. So CP of the article, what did you get? CP of the fan is equal to rupees 520. You have to find the gain percent. For getting gain percent, you have to know the gain. So what is your gain? Gain is equal to CP by 4. That is 520 by 4, which is equal to how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 130. Rupees 130. So gain percent is equal to, you know, it is gain by CP into 100. Okay. So gain is equal to 130 and CP is equal to 520 into 100. 0 0 cross. Then see, 13 130 in the 13 tens are 130 and 13 4s are 52. Now see, 10 tens are 100 and 100 by 4%. So that means 425s are. You are getting 25%. Okay. Therefore, gain percent is equal to, gain is equal to 25%. Let us see the third question, C question. A shopkeeper buys pencils at 10 for rupees 10 and sells at 8 for rupees 10. Find the profit. Now profit percent. Now see here, shopkeeper buys 10 pencils for rupees 10. See the method of buying, and sells 8 pencils for rupees 10. So see, he buys the pencils in bunches. A bunch of 10 pencils cost rupees 10 for the shopkeeper. Now what he does, he take out that bunch, removes 2 pencils from it, prepares a new bunch of 8 and sells it for rupees 10. Now you have to find the profit percent. So here we have to go for one object. So see, write down the first sentence. Buys. So cost price of 10 pencils is equal to how much? Rupees 10. So CP of one pencil will be 1 rupee. है ना? Rupees 10 by 10, that is rupees 1. Okay. Now see, selling price. Selling price of 8 pencils is how much? Rupees 10 again. So SP of one pencil will be rupees 10 by 8. Okay. Now 2 5s are and 2 4s are, that is rupees 5 by 4. Now see here, obviously SP is greater than CP. See, CP is 1 and SP is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is an improper fraction and improper fraction is more than 1. So SP minus CP will give you your profit. SP minus CP. Since SP is greater than CP, we have profit, we have gain, and SP minus CP will give you the gain. Okay. Now what is your SP? SP is 5 by 4. And what is your CP? That is 1. So this will be equal to 5 by 4 minus 1 means it can be written as 4 by 4 for finding out LCM. So 5 minus 4 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. So your gain is 1 by 4. So how will you calculate gain percent? Gain percent or profit percent is the same thing. Gain percent will be gain by CP into 100. Here what is your gain? 1 by 4. What is your CP? CP is 1 into 100. So this will become 1 by 4 into 100. Now see, 4 25s are 100. So you are getting 25%. So your gain is equal to 25% in the above transaction. Now let us move towards the next question, D part. Find the GST if an article marked at rupees 5,000 is sold for rupees 5,900. Children, please come back to the concept of GST. What is GST? GST is the extra amount, that is the tax on every item levied by the shopkeeper to us, and that tax is given to the government. Okay. Now see, here the price of the article is 500 but it has been sold for rupees 5,900. Okay. If an article is marked at rupees 500 and is sold for rupees 5,900. So find the GST. What will be your GST here? Your GST will be, see, price of the article is equal to rupees 5,000. Okay. Now the article was, the selling price is how much? The selling price of the article is equal to rupees 5,900. So GST is equal to how much? Difference between these two, 5,900 minus rupees 5,000. Obviously it is rupees 900. Now you have to calculate the percentage. Okay. So GST percent is calculated as, see, GST divided by price, actual price is 5,000, multiplied by 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 8s are 40. 18%. Now the last question of B part, question number 1. A person pays rupees 2,800 for a cooler marked for rupees 3,500. Find the discount percent offered. Now see here, this is also very easy. A man pays just rupees 2,800 for a cooler, but it is marked 3,500. That means the shopkeeper has given some discount and you have to find the discount percent. See, marked price was 3,500 and the person gave only 2,800. The difference between these two is the discount. So the marked price of the cooler is equal to rupees 3,500. Okay. Now selling price of the cooler is how much? Is equal to rupees 2,800. So discount is how much? Discount is the difference between these two. Discount will be equal to MP minus SP. So this is rupees 3,500 minus rupees 2,800. See how much it is. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. That means 700 left. See, 700 rupees is a discount. So how will you find discount percent? Discount percent is equal to discount by MP into 100. So what is your discount? Discount is 700. What is your MP? 3,500. You can see here, mark price into 100. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 7 ones are and 7 5s are. This is 100 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 20s are. So your discount percent is 20%. Okay. So the shopkeeper offered a discount of 20%.